Hello everyone. Today I's got a job for the coolant leak. First we check. There's a lot of coolant outside of the van. We check the bottle, there's a coolant. Firstly we start with the pressure test. We looked before. We can't find any. This is having a little bit on the passenger side. Under the bottle, we think that there's something pipe, or we can't say anything. It's faulty or not. So with pressure test, we want to make sure for which side is leaking. Just the cap, pressure. Let's see. I also see a little bit water on the bottle, but for the faulty things we have to make a video and show for warranty things it's leaking on this. See, easy to find, but we have to make a video for the warranty things. The shit thing, alright, we got the video. Now, I don't want to drain the whole coolant, so I just suck it from upside. Easily open the bowls. Remove the hoses. This one is a little buttly shit bowl, but not too hard. All right. Almost out. That is out. The thing. After that nice scene, there's one connector and one more hose on the down. That was a little tricky. So we had to take other intercooler motor labs, intercooler to chrome the bottle, to form more gap to take the hose out, clamp, can see. So we took this one off, some more gap. The clamp was fully moved to other side, which I can't show it. So that's why I put this one, and then get straight, and then after, just put the clamp to take the clamp out. Now it's already off. Oh. The core more loud. Leave that like that. I don't want to make more mess. Take the whole coolant out, everything. Shit. My hand. That's good. Not too much. See, this hose on the connector. Here is it. Everything's done. So I put this bottle as the same weight. So I took it out, put the coolant, start the car. Perfect. Thank you so much.